What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I want to show you guys the forex broker that I use, because we all know that the broker that you use can have a direct effect on your trading results. So I wanted to show you guys the broker that I use called Hankotrade. I've actually been using this broker for at least like 5 or 6 years, but I took a little break, switched to futures, and now I'm back on Hankotrade for a number of reasons. For one, if you don't have a ton of capital, then you should be trading forex instead of futures, because the forex risk management is way easier to manage. And we'll talk more about that as we go throughout this platform. I do still trade futures, but I wanted to switch back to forex as well because it is just easier on managing my positions. Like, even if you have a lot of capital and you're trying to scale into your positions, because there's no contract cost like there is in futures, forex gives you an advantage because you can really trade any pair and you can risk exactly what you want to risk versus having to risk what the contract costs. You can risk literally a penny lot on the NASDAQ, and with futures you can't do that. So yeah, I wanted to dive into this platform because since I've been trading with Hankotrade, they made a lot of changes. Now, this is not financial advice. I do want to say that disclaimer. You can do whatever you want to do with your capital. I'm just telling you what I did with mine. You do not have to do exactly what I'm telling you to do. I just want to be transparent and show you guys the brokers that I trade with, so that way you have an understanding of how all this stuff works. So we are on the Hankotrade website, and they have made so many changes that just makes their platform way more user friendly. You can see that we're on the home page of the Hankotrade website. So this is what it looks like once you log into your terminal. You see that I have 2 live accounts here, so you can manage multiple accounts under one login. That's something new that they added. You have a demo account here if you have a demo account. And one thing that I really like that they added is, you see this light switch up here? You can click that and it'll turn it into dark mode. And I love dark mode. It's easier on my eyes. All of my devices, like even on my phones, all of my computers, all of my trading terminals, they all have dark mode. I think it looks a lot cooler in my opinion. But that's a dope feature they added. So depending on whatever you want, you can put on light mode or dark mode. Let's just keep it on dark mode for now. And let's just go through everything they added. So they have this tab called Hanko Social, where you can actually connect your account to some of the most profitable traders that use this broker. So if you want to just make passive income, and I should probably be on here myself, but if you want to just make passive income, you can connect your account or follow these traders here, and it tells you their win rate. It tells you how much they've made in profit. So that's something new that they added. It's really cool. They haven't always done that. And then you have your own portfolios. You also have a bonus section. So we'll talk more about this, but Hanko is offering a deposit bonus. So for the people that want to trade with more capital because they have the skill set, you can actually deposit money into this broker, and then you can put in the code. I'm gonna drop the link below in the description and the code for you to use that will give you a 200% deposit bonus. So this says 100% deposit bonus. It gives you all the terms and conditions. It tells you exactly how it works. I like that they're being transparent with their broker now. If you want a 200% deposit bonus, then all you have to do is sign up directly through the link below in the description. Use the code that I'm gonna put there, and then yeah, they will instantly put into your account. And if you want to speed up the process, you just go right here to their chat now. And this is kind of dope too, because they didn't always have this. They added an instant live chat, so now you can speak directly with their customer service. If you're having any issues with the broker, your account, or if you want to get this bonus right away, you can just chat now, and you put in your name, your email, your account number, and you can start the chat. That's amazing, because a lot of brokers, they are not that transparent, and they do not let you have direct access to their customer service in a live chat. They have account security here, which is big, so people aren't just hacking into your account. You have 2-step that you can add on or take it off. There's your password. And then when it comes to your funds, I just want to show you guys how to deposit, because a lot of people, they don't know how to deposit on a forex broker. So these are your options. They make this very simple. It's very user friendly. As you see, you can use Ugo, Litecoin, Bitcoin, USDC on the Ethereum network. You can use Bitcoin, which is what I personally use. You can use Dogecoin, Tether, and Ethereum. So whichever form of currency you decide to deposit with, they have it here. It's a very user-friendly process. You just click on it, and then you would select your trading account here, put in the amount that you want to fund, let's say $10,000, and then you would just click proceed, and it tells you everything here about how it works. So again, more transparency, very user friendly. And then as far as the withdrawals, you would do the same thing. What do you want to withdraw in? Bitcoin, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, whatever. They have every option here for you. You click into it, you select your trading account, you select the amount, and then you would put in your wallet address, and it would show you the amount available for withdrawal once you click a trading account. Let's see, let's click here. It'll load up here and it'll tell me exactly how much I have available for a withdrawal, and then I just put in the amount I want to withdraw. So everything is here in terms of how it works, so you're not confused. And then also you have your transaction history, which will show you all of the withdrawals here that you've made in the past. You can see I use Bitcoin. You can see where it's approved, where it's denied. This actually got denied because I put in the wrong wallet address. So it's good that they just don't send my money to random wallet addresses. Some brokers be doing that. And then, yeah, you got deposit history, deposit transaction, and then the bonus if you applied for it. And yeah, this is just a really easy to use platform. One thing I do want to show y'all is the trading terminal. So here you can see that you can log into all of your trading terminals from the actual website. So you got Hanko X Live here. You have the iOS, so if you want to trade off of your iPhone, and then you have Android if you want to trade off your Android phone, and then you have demo. So let's just click on the live terminal so you can see exactly what it looks like. So this is Hankotrade's new terminal, and I like it. I'm not gonna lie. And you got the account verification up there that shows it's a live account. The balance is here, and then here are all of the pairs you can trade. You can trade more. You can add them to it by clicking on forex indices, whatever. And then I liked how you can customize the colors. So I got these colors because I like dark mode. It's easier to see. I went with the Hanko blue. And then, yeah, this is just a good platform for risk management, especially for risk management, because let me show you how to place an actual order if you want to take a trade. So let's say I want to go long here. It's a couple of things you can do. So you can click on advanced options, which is usually what I do. And then from here, you can put in a stop loss before you actually take your trade. So let's say I want to put my stop loss here. It shows me at this lot size and how many points that I would be losing if I lost that trade. So let me just put in actual, let's say we want to do 3 lots. So it shows me if my stop loss was here that I would be losing $156 based on where price is currently at. So if I move that, you can see that the number of my P&L that I would be losing moves. So that is huge for traders who don't have great risk management. It's like the training wheels for you. So also, if I want to put in my take profit level before I trade it, let's say I want to put it over these highs, you can see right here, it shows the actual P&L that I will be winning. So you can see right now it's at $276. As I move that, the P&L changes. So if I want to go higher, and let's say I want to go here, tuck this under here, I'll be risking $75 to win $342. And that's huge because it's not as easy to do that on futures, and a lot of forex brokers don't allow you to do that either. So shout out to Hankotrade for that. And then let's see, once I'm in the trade, I'm gonna actually take a trade here so you can just see how it works. I'm gonna do it with the 1 lot. I'll be risking $32 to win 107. So, and you can do this with sells or buys too. So if you click sell, there you go. You can do sell order, boom. And then I'm gonna take a buy. So let me just put my stop loss right underneath here. And then I'm gonna put my take profit level up here. And it also gives you the ability to trail your stop loss. I don't really use that, to be honest, but let's see. I'm gonna do 1 lot. So I'm risking $30 to win 100 basically. And let's see, I will click buy order, and you see it gives me a notification that I'm in. My stop loss is here, about to get hit. And then down here, it shows everything. It shows the profit. It shows where you entered. So what you would do is if you want to adjust it, you can hit that right there, and it'll give you the option to move your stop loss. So let's say I want to move it down here and not take out right there. So I can move it here. I can click modify trade. So boom, as I was trying to modify that position, it hit my stop loss, and you see here I lost $19. So yeah, I love how you're able to manage your risk using Hankotrade. And like I said, this is a very dope platform. I'm going to continue to use it. I've had fast withdrawals in under 24 hours. And yeah, I have no complaints. If you do, again, want to get that deposit bonus, make sure you click that link down in the description, put in that code. And for the deposit bonus, like I said, they'll give you 200% instead of the 100% that they offer in the actual terminal. So what that means, just to break it down, if you put in $100, they're going to give you 200% on that $100, which means they're going to give you an additional $200. So you'll have a $300 trading account instead of $100. Same thing. If you put in $1,000, they're going to give you $2,000. So it all depends on how much money you want to start your account with. If you do have any questions, make sure you hit me up on my Instagram, or you can drop a comment below. And until the next video, out.